Demarai is a professional footballer who plays as a winger for Bundesliga club Bayer Leverkusen. Gray came through the youth system of Birmingham City, for whom he made his debut as a 17-year-old in 2013. In 2.5 seasons, he made 78 appearances and scored 8 goals. Gray signed for Leicester City in January of 2016 and was a member of the 2015-2016 Premier League winning squad. He played 169 games for Leicester, scoring 13 goals and providing 17 assists. In January 2021, Gray joined Bundesliga club Bayer Leverkusen on an 18-month contract. He made his debut on the 6th of February as a 74th minute substitute, with Leverkusen leading VfB Stuttgart 4-1. 10 minutes later, he scored his first Bundesliga goal to make the final score 5-2. So far, he has played 10 games, scoring 1 goal and providing 2 assists. He has also represented England from the under-18 to the under-21 level.